Hi everyone, it's Luis again, and today we're going to make a video on Cattleya divisions. So if you have a big Cattleya that you would like to divide, uh, it's very easy. You can propagate it by divisions. Now, in my situation, I had a big Cattleya composed of all these plants right here. And what I did is that I had repotted it back in January. And unfortunately, a raccoon knocked it over. It was doing fine. It knocked it over in July. So what I did, I didn't look at the roots. I just repotted it, and the plant never recovered. So this video concentrates more on what to expect after you divide your Cattleya. So let's get started. Okay, so like I said earlier, I had this big Cattleya and I divided it. And, just to tell you a little bit about dividing your Cattleyas, what you're going to do is cut at least 3 or 4 pseudobulbs in order to make a good cutting. Right here, as you can see, this is one of the leads out of the big Cattleya. And what I did, I cut it, and it had 2 leads. So as you can see, there's a lead right here, and there's a lead right over here. So this is a great example of a cutting that you could make. So this is a month and a week after I divided this Cattleya, and I'm seeing great results. As you can see, it has very nice healthy roots right there. And what I also want to point out is that this lead right here already has a new growth coming out. And this one right here also has a lead. So this is what to expect after you divide your Cattleya and you have at least 4 pseudobulbs. You put it in bark, and I set it mine a little bit higher than the potting media, or just level, because that way you can see if the roots are growing or not. And in this case, the roots are growing, so I'm very happy. Now that's one of the bigger divisions. On this other lead that I divided, it's from the same plant, and you're going to see that this one already has a new leaf right here. Actually, there's 2 of them. This one grew a little deformed. It's crooked. And this one is doing really good. You're going to see there's really good root growth. And I just want to point out that on this plant, if you see, it has a hanger. And this hanger serves 2 purposes. One, I can hang it. And second, it stabilizes the plant. What you want to do when you do a cutting is you want to stabilize it, because otherwise, as the root grows, if it's not anchored correctly, all the root tips are going to break. So what you want to do is stabilize it. And basically I just did is put a hanger, and I tied it on the sides. You put the plant and you tie it so that it doesn't move. See, it might wiggle a little bit from the top, but the base is securely fastened. It's not moving, and that's what you want, so that your plant grows roots. Now here's another one, another cutting that I did off of the big one. And this one also had 4 leads. So one was more advanced than the other one. So on this one, you see one new leaf right here. and he has really nice roots, and right here, I don't know if you can see it, there's a new growth right over here. Can you see it? It's way in there. Way in there. Anyways, so that's what you do, or what to expect after you do your Cattleya divisions. And this has been, I did it on 4/20, so that's been a month and a week or so that I did the division. So that's what you should expect. New growth, new leaves, new roots, very healthy plant. Now,